Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a raspberry device smoothie. Really tasty. Let's get started. Alright, get your blender and put in 1 cup of fresh raspberries, or you can use frozen. Just add a cup of raspberry yogurt. Like that. Half a cup of milk. And 1 tablespoon of apple juice. Put the lid on, put it on high for about a minute until that's combined. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a raspberry device smoothie. As you can see, oh, the coverage is perfect. So let's give it a taste. That is very refreshing smoothie. It's a little bit of, it's kind of sour, but that doesn't really matter. So, but overall, it's just perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you right next Monday for a new recipe. Peace out.